Unraveling the Monkey Grip, a peek into English idioms. Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English easy and fun for you. Today, we have an intriguing phrase to explore: monkey grip. Join us as we delve into what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in everyday conversation. So, grab your notepads, and let's get started on this language adventure. Monkey grip is an idiomatic expression that can refer to two different things. Firstly, it describes a tight, strong grip, like how a monkey holds onto something with its hands or feet. For instance, if someone has a monkey grip on a rope, it means they are holding onto it very tightly. Secondly, monkey grip can also refer to an emotional hold or a strong influence that someone has over another person. When we say, "She has a monkey grip on him," it's like saying she has a strong hold on his emotions or decisions. Curious about where this phrase comes from? The term, monkey grip, likely originates from the observation of monkeys and their ability to grasp objects firmly. Monkeys are known for their strong hands and feet, which allow them to swing from tree to tree and pick up small objects with precision. This visual has translated into the metaphorical use of the term in English. Now, let's see how to use monkey grip in everyday language. Here are a few examples. When rock climbing, having a monkey grip can save your life. Her baby held onto the toy with a monkey grip during the doctor's visit. Metaphorically speaking, it seems like his past has a monkey grip on his future, preventing him from moving on. In this section, let's touch upon the cultural nuances. While monkey grip isn't considered an offensive phrase, it's important to use it in contexts that are appropriate and sensitive to the conversation at hand. It's a casual term, often used among friends or in informal settings. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has given you a better understanding of the phrase, monkey grip, and that you feel more confident using it in your conversations. Remember, idioms are a fun way to enrich your vocabulary and sound more like a native speaker. So, don't be afraid to use them. Until next time, keep learning and keep practicing. Goodbye, and happy learning!